It is the question of love. If you actually love God, Krishna, then you can remember Him at any time, always. Always. There is no difficulty. Here, Kunti Devi describes Pankaja with reference to lotus flower. And Krishna describes himself in the Bhagavad Gita, Rasoham Apsukantiya. I am the taste of the liquid. So Krishna can be remembered by tasting water. Even those who are drinking, if he thinks that this taste of drinking is Krishna, he will one day come out a great saintly person. Such a nice thing, Krishna consciousness. If you cultivate Krishna consciousness, if you follow the description given by the Shastras, so I can request even the drunkards that you can become Krishna conscious. The drunkard, what to speak of others? Because Krishna says, Rasoham Apsukantiya. I am the taste of the liquid. Generally liquid water is taken. So, liquor is also liquid. Liquor is bad because it creates intoxication. Otherwise it is made from sugar, molasses. Molasses with sulfuric acid fermented, so far as you know, we are in the chemical line. Molasses fermented with sulfuric acid and then distilled. That is called spirit or liquor. Then, the thing is, nothing is bad. But because if a thing creates bad effect, then it is bad. Then it is bad. So I shall request even the drunkards. In your country there are many drunkards. There is no scarcity. So, if you will kindly remember when drinking wine, that this nice taste of wine is Krishna. Just begin with it. He'll come out one day, a saintly person, Krishna conscious. It's so nice, practical. So, Krishna is available in any circumstance. If we want to catch him, that's all. Tisam satatayuktanang bhajatang pritipurvakam. If one is actually very serious to search out Krishna, Krishna is everywhere. Annantarastham paramanu chayantarastham govindam adipurusam tamaham bhajami. He is within this universe. Not only he is within your heart, he is within the atom even. So it is not difficult to find him out, but you must know the process, how to find him out. And this process is very simple. And the process we are distributing by the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to everyone without any charge. The process is chant Hare Krishna. As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, immediately you understand Krishna. As soon as you see the lotus flower, if you hear this verse, this Sanskrit verse is meant for understanding ourselves. It is not for simply selling our books. Every one of you, we are repeating this verse again and again so that you are expected to chant these mantras. Not that the book is kept. I am very learned scholar. What kind of learned scholar? If I find the book, then I can speak. That is not scholarship. You must chant. Therefore we are teaching in our Dallas children simply to learn Sanskrit. We have nothing to do anything else. They are not going to be technologists or servant of everyone. No. We want some generation who can preach Krishna consciousness. So if they learn simply English and Sanskrit, they will be able to read this book, and that is sufficient. We don't want anything. All informations are there. Throughout the whole world, whatever knowledge is there. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, everything is there. There is literature, there is poetry, there is philosophy, there is religion, there is love of Godhead, there is astronomy. Everything is there. Srimad Bhagavatam, Amalam Purana, Vidya Bhagavatavadhi. If one simply reads this Srimad Bhagavatam, his education is the topmost. Vidya Bhagavatavadhi. There is something topmost, ultimate. So for education, Vidya, this is Srimad Bhagavatam. If one studies Srimad Bhagavatam, he is well versed in every subject matter. So, we want to create a new generation in your country so that in future there will be fluent speaker in Srimad Bhagavatam and preach all over the country, and your country will be saved. This is our program. We have come here not to exploit your country, but to give you something substantial. This is Krishna consciousness movement. So, read Srimad Bhagavatam, pronounce the verses very nicely, therefore we are repeating. You hear the records and try to repeat. Simply by chanting the mantra, you will purify. Simply by chanting, even if you do not understand a single word of it. Simply, if you chant, this vibration has got such power. Sinnatang sakata Krishna punnasavana kirtana. If you simply chant and vibrate these verses, these slokas, it is punnasavana kirtana. There is no question of understanding. Punnasavana kirtana. Punna means pious, and savana means hearing, and kirtana means chant. One is chanting this verse, and one is hearing this verse, he is becoming pious automatically. Pious. To become pious, one has to endeavor so much, do this, do that. But if you simply hear these verses of Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, therefore, as a rigid principle in every temple, there should be class for hearing and chanting. Without hearing and chanting to become leader, it is impossible. You can become leader in the material world, but not in the spiritual. Savan kirtan kare mali haiya sei bij kare aropan savan kirtan jale karo secha. Bhaktilata bij, it is a seed of developing your original consciousness. Just like in this seed there is potency. In a small seed, a mustard like. But if you sow it, in due course of times, it comes out a big banyan tree. There's so much potency in that seed. Where is that scientist? Just prepare a seed in which there is a big gigantic banyan tree. Where is your science? That is not possible. The Krishna says, Bijoham sarvabhutanam. I am that seed. So anyone can appreciate. Suppose the banyan seed, you have seen the fig fruit. And there are hundreds and thousands of seeds. And each seed, there is a banyan tree. Each seed. If you simply study a fig of banyan tree, you can study the whole cosmic manifestation. If you simply think about this is a small seed, insignificant, and there are millions of seeds like that, millions of fruits there, and each seed containing the potential of fructifying into big banyan tree. So who has made it? How much his brain is sharp that he has made it. It is done by brain. It does not come out automatically. This is Raskalda. Not even when it is coming Raskalda. No. There is brain. Janmadasya jataha. The Vedanta Sutra says that everything is coming from him. Coming from his brain. Big brain. Krishna has got big brain. We haven't got such brain. Still, we rascals, we claim that I am as good as Krishna. I am God. What nonsense you have got. You cannot create anything. So this Krishna consciousness movement is so nice. Here, Kunti Devi, a great devotee, is giving us opportunity to become Krishna conscious. Simply concentrating your mind on lotus flower. That's a lotus flower. As soon as you see a lotus flower, you will immediately think of Namo Pankaja Nabhaya. Krishna's navel is just like lotus flower. From the navel of Krishna there was a stem of lotus flower, and from that lotus flower Brahma came out, and Brahma created this universe. This universe means so many planets, so many seas, mountains and cities, motor cars, everything. Within that lotus flower. The beginnings, Namo Pankaja Nabhaya. And Namo Pankaja Malini. So, such wonderful lotus flower, which contains the seedling of the whole universe, that is not only one. Pankaja Maline, just like here is a garland, there are so many flowers. So, Krishna is not so poor that simply producing one lotus flower is finished. No, there is a garland of lotus flower, big garland, or as many lotus flowers as you want. This is God. Yasyaika nishasita kalamathavalamba jivanti loma vilaja jagadannanath. Unlimited, everything is unlimited. Krishna's creation, we are very much concerned with one planet, this. But Krishna's creation is unlimited number of planets. As you see unlimited number of hairs on your head, you cannot count. Can you count how many hairs are there? This is Krishna's creation. You cannot count. So what to speak of this hair? Anything you take. You take one tree, unlimited number of foliages. You cannot count. Similarly, unlimited number of planets, unlimited number of universes. Everything unlimited, therefore is unlimited. Namo Pankaja Nabhaya. Pankaja Malini. Namo Pankaja Netraya. Krishna's eyes are compared with the petals of lotus flower. Alula Chandrakala Sadbhanamala Bangsi. So, if you simply think only one verse, as it is explained here, and the Pankaja, lotus, in defiance with Krishna's body, you can meditate the whole life. How Krishna is beautiful, how Krishna is wise, how Krishna's creation. This is meditation. thinking of Krishna. Dhyanavastita dadgatena manasa pasantijam yogina. Yogi means he's always thinking of Krishna. Matpara. That is yogi. These rascals are not yogi. Thinking something impersonal and being harassed. Klesha adhikatarastesha abbhaktya saktachetasha. They're simply laboring. Adhikatara. More and more. They cannot get anything substantial. Therefore, after meditation, come on, give me cigarette. Come on. My throat is now dried up. Give me cigarette. That is not meditation. Meditation means this is Namo Pankaja Netraya. So, if we think of Krishna always, Satatang, Chintayantang Ma, always thinking of me, Jatantas Chaddirabrata, and endeavoring to advance in Krishna consciousness with bhav, then we have to remain purified, because Krishna is purified. Parabrahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan. You cannot approach Krishna impurified. But if you think of Krishna always in this way, meditate upon Krishna, then you will be purified. Purna Savana Kirtana. That meditation can be possible by hearing and chanting. Then thinking will automatically come. That is the process of Krishna consciousness. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam. Smarang means remember. If you chant and hear, then remembrance will automatically come. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam. Then you will be engaged in worshipping his lotus feet. Archanam. Then you will be engaged in Archan, the temple worship. Bandhanam, offering prayers. Dasam, you will engage yourself as servant. Sakhyam, you will become friend of Krishna. Atmanivedanam, and surrender everything to Krishna. This is the process. So each and every verse you should chant very perfectly, nicely, meditate upon it. That is the process of progress, advancement in spiritual life. We should get all these verses by heart and chant and offer prayer to the Lord. Bandhanam. Bandhanam. These are meant for such purpose. Namo Pankaja Navaya, Namo Pankaja Malini, Namo Pankaja Netraya, Namaste Pankajangrai. Everything is Krishna's with reference to Pankaja. Thank you very much.